Fahad Fasil and Dileesh Potan
Hmm.
both have worked together for two films before. The two of those films are very different. Those two films are very similar,
Hmm.
but the two of them are different from Joji in many ways, which we can talk about.
Right. Written by Syam Pushkaran, who
Pushkaran.
incidentally also wrote Kumbalangi Nights,
Yeah,
as
yeah,
I
yeah.
found out just now. Those who don't know, Joji is adapted from Macbeth and also adapted from a real life case of cyanide killings that happened in Kerala in 2019. This I read on their Wikipedia
Oh, I
page.
didn't know this.
I'll give people a bit of a context about this story, this movie. The trailer से ज़्यादा मैं ज़्यादा कुछ बताऊंगा नहीं. So it's essential. Even though the trailer doesn't say a lot, and it's a very well cut
Yeah,
trailer, by the way, on
very
Amazon,
well
on
cut. Yeah.
YouTube. So yeah, the plot of the film is basically this family in Kerala. They're a very wealthy landowning sort of plantation. They have, I think, rubber or some, I don't know,
Yeah.
something that they grow, and it's a very rich family, and they're like a very patriarchal, very clearly structured patriarchal family where there is a father who's very old. He has three sons. The eldest is divorced. The middle one is married. The eldest also has a teenage son, and
Yeah.
the youngest son is Fahad Fazil, who's a
Yeah.
bit of a wastrel, basically. The middle one kind of handles the business, and the elder one is sort of just a loudmouth,
Yeah.
basically. And that is sort of the structure in which the film operates. And the
Hmm.
film begins with the older guy, the grandfather, basically. In the first 10-15 minutes of the film, he gets struck by a heart attack, or something happens while he's doing some menial
Stroke.
task, a
Some
stroke.
stroke. Yeah.
And he is sort of in a semi-conscious state from that point on in the film, and then something whatever happens. And
Yeah.
the film follows the tension between the younger people in the family, whether it's the daughter-in-law who's Lady Macbeth, and or the sons, and about the financial insecurity about who the money will go to. So very straightforward, simple, understandable plot. I frankly think that Johnny Gaddar has found its meaningful
Exactly.
successor in
Exactly.
Indian cinema. I had such a big smile as
Yeah.
this movie came to a close. I was, like just full, like if you have like a great meal at a
Yeah.
restaurant that just randomly you walk into, because
No.
I did not know about Joji.
So this is
Yeah,
what I wanted to say.
huh.
See, basically, this is more like Johnny Gaddar than Macbeth
Yeah,
because
exactly,
it's it's
exactly.
it's the prototype is the same
Yeah.
as Johnny Gaddar. The ending, towards the last 20 minutes of the movie, I think,
Hmm.
are very much a Sriram Raghavan film because
Yeah,
people are planning things and then they're executing those things, but it's not going as per plan. And
exactly.
at every point, they're reassessing their plan till the point you're like, you can't do anything. Like, it's just a dead end. Again,
Right.
I'm trying to be as vague as possible
As
while still
possible.
giving you
Yeah.
a sense of.
What I found interesting was also that I think, it's the first pandemic film I've seen. A film made post the start of the pandemic. So, and I love the fact that they don't address it beyond, like, the pandemic is incidental in the film.
Yes.
Perhaps they've just been put inside that house because of the pandemic. But apart from that, there's not much to do with the pandemic. They
In
just wear
fact,
masks when they go out.
yeah.
That's it.
In
There's
fact,
no real.
they seem uncomfortable in the company of each other. So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
sort of led me to believe also that they are not used to this kind of proximity, but because
exactly.
it's the pandemic,
Hmm.
they are put into, and the framing of certain shots is like that.
Hmm.
There are these very wide angle shots, and characters are placed unevenly on the opposite side. It's not like a even frame.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
not a beautiful or a balanced frame. It's an imbalanced frame, and that sort of gave me the same sense as what you're talking about. It's a pandemic
Hmm.
film, and you're led to think. It's never
Hmm.
spoken out loud, and I'm not even sure whether it was meant,
Hmm.
but it gives us that feeling at the back of your mind that these guys do not naturally belong in the same space that they're occupying.
Right, right.
Hmm.
No, so I also felt that, in the when you come to spaces and cinema, first of all, the cinematography was out of the world.
Yeah.
Okay, it was some beautiful, like such thoughtful frames. Like so many times I paused it. You know what, that thing that happens, which DOPs do. Pardon my ignorance. Okay, but like when you're at the corner of the frame in a wide shot, and then when you go to like a mid shot or something, that person is still in that part of the frame, looking like they're concealed in a sort of world, and that happened so many times in this film also, in a later moment, which I don't want to get into the plot detail of it, but it was really well. I think technically this film is so superior than
Yeah.
most of the films I've seen around the world, actually. In fact, I will also say that the spaces in the film, the architecture of the film, which is the house, because the film is almost entirely based around this house, in and around this house and estate. The geography of the house is very cool. The interiors are very, it's a very bizarre sort of thing that they've done, and they've used it to their advantage in the cinematography. For example, Fahad Fazil's character's room is there, there's like a slant at the entry, right, which is
Yeah.
which towards the end of the film, as the film unravels, the thriller unravels, it becomes very ominous. The door is
Yeah.
very ominous throughout the
Yeah.
film, right? And
And the
I just
window
felt
also. The
the
window, right?
window, yeah.
It's it gave me a sense of the family, which is that, nothing is allowed to be private, and yet
Right,
this guy is trying to be private about his
right.
affairs. It was very, very nice the way it was done.
It's like an Indian version of Succession. Na? It
Yeah,
the first episode of, and I then realized that Succession is also Macbeth.
kind of. It's
I
very Succession is actually very Shakespearean. It's
Very
Yeah.
Shakespearean,
very
correct.
Shakespearean.
It's almost
Yeah.
King Lear, and then it's also
Hamlet भी है उसमें तो.
Hamlet भी है
उसमें
उसमें.
season 1 का end I feel anyway. It's on Amazon Prime, so very accessible. Please go watch it.